Mahashay Dharampal Gulati, the owner and CEO of the iconic spice masala brand MDH, Mahashayan Dihati, passed away on Thursday at the age of 98. Mahashay Dharampal Gulati, known as the King of Spices, was born in 1919 in Pakistan's Sialkot, where his father had set up a small shop. However, after partition in 1947, his family moved to Delhi in India. In 1953, Gulati rented a shop in Chandni Chowk, named it Mahashayan Dihati MDH, and started selling spices. From a small shop in Karol Bagh, Mahashay Dharampal Gulati built MDH as one of India's leading spice brand. He officially established his company in 1915. At that time, he bought a piece of land in Kirtinagar to set up a manufacturing unit. At present, MDH today has a range of 62 products available in over 150 different packages, has 15 factories across the country and sells its product across the globe. Gulati became highest paid CEO of a FMCG company in India in 2017. Initially, the business did not just flourish in India, but he became a distributor and exporter as well. At present, MDH spices are exported to various parts of the world, including the UK, Europe, UAE and Canada. Gulati was awarded India's third highest civilian award, Padma Bhushan, in 2019 for his contribution in the field of food processing. Mahashay Dharampal Gulati stayed the CEO of the company even in his late years and earned a salary of over 20 crores for his position. It is reported by some sources that he was the highest paid fast-moving consumer goods FMCG CEO in India in 2017. He donated 90% of his salary for charity under the Mahashay Chunilal Charitable Trust, which operated a 250-bed hospital and another mobile hospital in Delhi. The trust also runs 4 schools and offers financial support to people in need. Mahashay Dharampal Gulati, who is fondly known as Mahashayji or Dadaji, the King of Spices, will forever be immortalized as MDH Dadaji, and by its iconic tagline, Asli Masale Sach Sach, MDH MDH. Needless to say, he will always be India's real masala king. Don't believe us? Asli Masale Sach Sach.
Red FM 93.5